Good morning. The next topic is Ohm's law. This Ohm's law will give you the relation between V, I and R. What is V? Voltage, I current, and by that we will be getting the value of R. That is a new word for you, that we say resistance. Let us have a look on the statement. German physicist George Simon Ohm stated that the electric current, that is I, flowing through a metallic wire is directly proportional to the potential difference. What is potential difference? V across its N. Now again you just read electric current, that is I is directly proportional to V. That means what? If you increase V, the I is also increased. Okay, increased V means, for example, 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cell. Do you know how many types of cells? What are the values of pencil cell? Then one battery is coming. Okay, the pencil cell which you are using in your clock is of 1.5 volt. If you join more, it will be 3. If you join more, it will be 4.5. And one big cell is also coming, 9 volt, 6 volt. Okay, so they are telling that if you increase the voltage, at the same time the ammeter also will show you the increase in the reading across its end, provided its temperature remains the same. Okay, its temperature means the metal wire temperature must remain same. This is called Ohm's law. Let us verify the law with an activity. So in this video I will be playing, and then only you will understand what does Ohm's law means. Okay, this is the setup of Ohm's law. What are the things? Nichrome wire, 0.5 m, milliammeter, voltmeter, switch, and one more thing. Yeah, it is cell of 1.5 volts. The connection with the cell are the nichrome wire, milliammeter which measures current, voltmeter which measures voltage. Now we have to see what will happen if we switch it on. Let us see. When we switch it on, the current flows through the circuit and it shows the reading in ammeter as well as voltmeter. When one cell is connected, the current is 120 milliampere and that is 0.12 A. The potential difference is 0.3 V. Now he is asking for one more cell, because here we are changing our battery's value, cell value. Then again we have to see the readings. After some time, the two cells are connected and again we will switch it on. We will see the reading in ammeter. Let us see. The current is flowing. When two cells are connected, 200 milliammeter, that is 0.2 ampere, and 0.5 voltage, potential difference. After some time they are connecting 3. When 3 cells are connected, then let us see the reading in both ammeter and voltmeter. When 3 cells are connected, it is 300 milliampere, that is 0.3 ampere, and voltage is 0.75 V. So they have enjoyed the Ohm's law. Still Ohm's law, conclusion, everything is left. Let us see the result of this activity. When the experiment is going to do, when the number of cells increases 1, 2, 3, the value of I increases. That means when V increases, I also increases. We got this type of values. Okay, so I increases, V also increases. And what are the voltage? These are the voltage, we got it. Now we will take the ratio of voltage to current, V by I. Always I will be getting the same answer, you can see. Okay, though our values are different, but I will be getting what is the value for that? we will be getting always 2.5. Voltage is directly proportional to current. This was the verification of Ohm's law. Now we'll draw the graph. Graph is in between V versus I. This we say V versus I graph. We'll put the values. Ampere is on x-axis, voltage is on y-axis. When we put the values, we will get a straight line graph. So if somebody asks what is a graph of Ohm's law, then you can say the graph of Ohm's law is straight line. You can see the straight line will be drawn. And the same thing is given in your textbook. So you can have these values, you can write these values, and you can have the understanding of, okay. So straight line passing through the origin 0, okay. Hence V is directly proportional to I, or V by I is constant. This constant is R. R is the resistance of the metallic wire at its given temperature. Hence, V by I is equal to this formula. The next topic is resistance of a system of resistors. Means if I join resistors in straight line, that we say series or in parallel, okay, this way, then how much current is flowing, or what will be the total resistance for the circuit given. Here also what will be the total resistance for the circuit given. So we have the activity for this, okay. What is series connection and what is parallel connection. So first we go for it, then I will show you experiment for it. The first one is series connection, okay. This one is series connection. What does it mean? This means that the three resistors, here I have taken bulb, okay. The three bulb is also resistor. So three resistors are connected end to end, okay, end to end. These are the end are connected end to end, okay, consecutively, मतलब एक के बाद एक कनेक्ट हुआ है किसके साथ, बैटरी के साथ, okay. It's connected end to end and with the battery. So such setup we say series connection, okay, series connection. Series तो आपको पता होगा, you put in Diwali and all for any celebration, for lighting and all. So that we say series connection. Now how it occurs and what resistance will we get at the end of the calculation. So let's go for it. Here what they want to say, okay, what are we doing in this series connection? In this what you have to see, the glow of the bulb, okay, how much, कितना bright glow होता है, ठीक है. These are the three LEDs and you just check it, okay. After final connection what is the glow, and when I go for individual bulb what is the glow, okay. So you can have a look on the glow. So it glows very brightly when a single bulb is there, okay. When I go for the two bulbs, so we can have a look that it becomes less, okay. Here white is there, but at least you can have a look on the previous one. See, this is the two bulb connection, and if I take, this is the three single bulb, see, okay. Now if I join, so what is going here, what is going on, something is decreasing, is it, okay. If I remove this part, now you will be seeing properly, okay. If I connect one more bulb, this is everything in series. Now you see the light of the bulb, see how much it decreased. See, the glow of the bulb, it is decreased. That means how much resistors or bulb I will connect in series, the voltage is divided. इसके बीच का voltage V1 है, इसके बीच का voltage V2 है, and here it is V3, okay. So what is going on from the battery, the voltage is coming, but it is divided due to these resistors. So let us have one more time. See, this is a single, very good glow. If I go for the connection of the second two, you can see it reduces, and the last one you can see very clearly it is reduced a lot, okay. Now in this series what happens, the resistance is increased. Resistance मतलब ये जो करंट है वोल्टेज को वो पकड़ लेता है, जितना बचता है उतना ही वो दूसरे को देता है, सो वो सेम नहीं होगा. यू कैन सी इट इज़ वेरी मच लेस. Okay, now in this what we will be observing, that if I disconnect one terminal, all working of all the bulbs will stop. They will not continue to glow. If I stop any of the, if I break it and if I connect it, then no bulb will glow. So let me show you. Okay, I have disconnected it. Because why I am showing, so that you can understand between the series and parallel. I have disconnected. Now when I connect it, see, no bulb is glowing. See, no bulb is glowing. Okay, now I connect it again. Now when I connect it again, the bulb will glow. See, all bulb glows. Okay, if I disconnect, no bulb will glow. That means if there are 3 appliances connected in series at your home, if you switch off one appliance, the other 2 also will stop working. Okay, now tell me which device is connected in series at your home. That is the, कौन सी ऐसी है जो एक ही बार लाइट स्विच ऑफ करे सब कुछ बंद हो जाता है? फ्यूज़. ओके, यस. सो फ्यूज़ इज कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. Otherwise at your home series connections are not there, but parallel connections are there. So I'll show you parallel connection. Then okay, before that the derivation of this. Okay, the same derivation you can write in your notebook, same derivation, because derivation they are asking what is the derivation of series connection. Okay, so what we are doing, this is the circuit diagram. Battery, here battery, 3 resistance R1, R2, R3 given by R1, R2, R3, that is the bulb. Okay, this R1, R2, R3 and the current flows. Now I show you only the derivation. Okay, what is this derivation? It shows that okay, voltage is divided. इतना याद रखो कि सीरीज कनेक्शन में वोल्टेज डिवाइड होता है. अक्रॉस R1 इट इज़ V1, अक्रॉस R2 इट इज़ V2, अक्रॉस R3 it is V3. Now what happens when they are connected in series and it is on? So let 3 resistors, this one all things you have to write. Suppose a current I flows through the circuit. Okay, voltage BV by Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? Just now you have seen V is equal to IR. Okay, that is and here V is divided. This I have written so that you remember. I remains constant. Now we have that V is equal to IR. So if I go for V1 it will be IR1, V2 it will be IR2 and V3 it will be IR3. Let it be equation number 1. If R is the equivalent resistance, मतलब अब तीनों को एक बनाते हैं तो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस कितना सर्किट में फ्लो होता है. ठीक है, सो इफ R is equivalent resistance then V is equal to IR from the Ohm's law. Also we can write V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. तो टोटल जो है voltage that will be V1 plus V2 plus V3. Now all together if I take first, second and third, if I take all together we can write IR is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. From where? From 1, 2 and 3. Now I get cancelled from everywhere if I take common from here, and this I will be cancelled after taking common. Okay, not directly, after taking common. I will be getting R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That means the resistance which we have connected in series, the equivalent resistance will be the sum of all the 3 resistors. Okay, all the 3 resistors. So from this we can conclude that when several resistors are joined in series, the resistance of the combination RS, here they are writing because it is series, equal to the sum of their individual resistance R1, R2, R3 and is thus greater than any individual resistance. मतलब कैसे समझो कि R1 1 है, R2 2 है, इसका वैल्यूज़ रहता है. ओके, R is measured in ohms, वो ओम होता है. दैट द डाउन द इंट्रोडक्शन एंड ऑल यू कैन read. Okay, so resistance की यूनिट है ओम. So if R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 2 ohm, R3 is 3 ohm, if you do total 3 4 5 6, so 1 2 3 में सबसे बड़ी कौन है? 3, लेकिन टोटल कितना हो रहा है? 6. So always it will be greater than the greatest resistance, मतलब उसकी वैल्यू बहुत होगी. That is why the bulb does not glow fully. Its capacity is less. If more and more connections, more and more voltage will be divided. Okay, now let us go for पैरेलल कनेक्शन. रेसिस्टर्स इन पैरेलल. पैरेलल मतलब पैरेलल लाइंस जैसा, थोड़ा थोड़ा, ज़्यादा नहीं. सो हियर एवरीथिंग इज सेम, स्विच एंड बैटरी एंड ऑल, only this way connected. Okay, 3 bulbs are connected and that common wire is taken to the cell. Now what happens here, the path of the current is divided, क्योंकि यहाँ से वो 3 डिवाइड हो रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे जो भी करंट चल रहा है वो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, जो भी करंट चल रहा है वो डिवाइड हो जाता है. बट व्हाट हैपन्स, वोल्टेज एक ही है. ये वोल्टेज इनका यहाँ पे डिवीज़न नहीं है, एक ही पाथ में डिवीज़न नहीं है, लेकिन करंट के लिए पाथ चेंज हो रहा है. So here what is divided, I, current is divided. इसका एक्सपेरिमेंट देख लेते हैं. This is a parallel connection activity. Okay, this way 3 bulbs are connected, wires we have joined together, and here it is connected with the cell. Now what I will do, in this you have to see the individual, okay, now this is different LED, okay, compared to that one. Okay, now you see the light, all 3 will glow beautifully. See, very nicely, all 3 will glow very beautifully. अब इसमें एक और मज़ा है, if I disconnect one but other will continue to glow, that I will show you. Understood this? See, all 3, this is a connection, parallel connection. Here one, here one. Now current which is passing from here has to give to all the bulbs, all the resistors, but voltage remains same. So current divide हो रहा है, voltage same है. voltage same है मतलब इसको भी समझो कि दिस इज़ 6 वोल्ट, तो इसको भी 6 मिल रही है, इसको भी 6 मिल रहा है, इसको भी 6 मिल रहा है, इसीलिए वो बहुत अच्छे से जलते हैं. देखो, इट्स glowing color, so beautiful color you will be getting. Okay, now let me disconnect one. So you will be seeing whether the bulb glows or not, the restore bulb glows or not. Okay, so let me show you. Now you just see I have disconnected the first one. Okay, मतलब ये मैंने disconnect कर दिया है. Now let me see the restore 2 will work or not. Yeah, it is working. देखो, इसको डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया. अभी मैं अगर ऐसा लग रहा है तो मैं बीच वाला डिस्कनेक्ट करूँ. ठीक है, सो बट स्टिल द बल्ब ग्लोज. सो लेट मी रिमूव द मिडल वन, देन the result will be same, the first and the last will be glowing. Now you see I have disconnected the middle one. Okay, middle one and these 2 are connected. Okay, you must connect the other rest all which you are removing, you remove it. this मैंने निकाल दिया. अब ये 2 को मैं कनेक्ट किया. अब मैं यहाँ पे अगर बैटरी डालती हूँ तो देखो, तो भी जला. देखो, मिडल वन नहीं जल रहा है. ठीक है, लेकिन कौन सा जल रहा है, द फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट. दैट मीन्स वॉट, ओके, ये इसको सेलो टेप से डाला है. द मिडल वन इज़ नॉट ग्लोइंग. दो आई हैव डिस्कनेक्टेड द मिडल वन, देन टू द फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट इज glowing properly. You can see here. Okay, light is too much. Okay, that means what is going on here, if you disconnect the one appliances, if it is connected in parallel, the other will continue to work. Okay, the meaning of this is, so where this connection at your home, anytime have you noticed that if you switch off the fan, the TV and fridge and everything is off? No, that and all are connected in parallel connection. Okay, चलो अब तीनों को साथ में कर दे. हो गए तीनों साथ में. Okay, now derivation of this. Okay, the introduction part you can have from the textbook. Derivation, it is important, so I am taking it in this writing part. Okay, so here what is this, I is divided, I1 plus I2 plus I3. अच्छा, वो ऐसा हुआ क्यों? Why? Because of the formula which we will get here. उसमें सीरीज़ कनेक्शन में क्या था, रेजिस्टर डिवाइड हो रहे, रेजिस्टर बढ़ रहा था. रेजिस्टर बढ़ेगा तो वोल्टेज कम होता जाएगा. जितने अप्लायंसेस आप सीरीज़ में कनेक्ट करते जाएंगे उतना ही वो ज़्यादा करंट लेगा और ज़्यादा वोल्टेज वो एब्जॉर्ब करेगा और वोल्टेज कम होते जाए. बट इन पैरेलल व्हाट हैपन्स, वोल्टेज रिमेन्स सेम, करंट चेंज हो रहा है, इसलिए ऑल द बल्ब और ऑल द अप्लायंसेस विल वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर efficient. Okay, so how the derivation goes on here, current I is divided in 3 parts, I1, I2 and I3. I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Voltage remains same. we have this from the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, so I can write I is equal to V by R. I1 is equal to V by R1 plus I2 is equal to V by R2, I3 is equal to V by R3. ये 1 2 3 है. Now taking all together, what we will get? All together taking, then we will be getting V by R is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3 from 1 2 and 3. V, if I take common here and if I write 1 by R1 in bracket, V and V will get cancelled. I will be getting 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Now what is this? समझो कि R1 1 है, ये 2 है, ये 3 है. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, this when you do sums then you will come to know. But in this, why the bulb glows beautifully, all the three, and though one connection is gone, the other continues. So from this formula we can make out, we can conclude that the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance, this we say equivalent resistance, okay, of a group. Equivalent resistance मतलब सर्किट में से टोटल रेजिस्टेंस कितना गया, ओके, कितना हुआ उसका सर्किट का, of a group of resistance joined in parallel is equal to the sum of reciprocals of the individual resistances. Now इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? Its value, because it is reciprocal, so its value will be less than the least one. Okay, that you can write down. Resistance will be less than the least resistance. Okay, which resistance? Equivalent resistance. Equivalent resistance will be less than the least resistance. Least मतलब अगर सबसे छोटा है उससे भी छोटा होगा. If it is 1 2 and 3, then if I solve it with the LCM and all, I will be getting the value of this R as less than 1. अब जितना कम resistance उतना good current flows through the circuit. Okay, so this was series and parallel connection, and in your textbook all explanations are given, so you can have a look, but writing you can write from this paper. Okay.